Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can create a website like Linktree in Webflow, so let's get started. Creating a Linktree style page in Webflow is actually very simple because everything is built using basic elements. First, open your Webflow project and create a new page, or use your home page if you want a one-page layout. Once the page opens, start by dragging a section onto the canvas. Inside this section, add a container or a simple div block and center it using the Style panel. This will be the main area where all your links will appear. Now add a heading at the top. This will be your name or brand title. Below the heading, you can also drag in an image element if you want to add a profile photo just like Linktree. After this, start adding your buttons. For each link, drag in a button element and place it under the profile area. You can duplicate the button multiple times to create a clean stack of links. Click each button and update the text, then paste your desired URL in the settings panel. You can link to YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, your website, or any external platform. Next, customize the styling to match your branding. Open the Style panel and adjust the colors, border radius, spacing, and hover effects. Linktree style designs usually use rounded buttons, bold text, and clean spacing, so keep everything simple and centered. You can also change the background of the entire page by clicking on the body element and applying a gradient or solid color. If you want to organize your links, you can use div blocks to create groups or add icons inside the buttons for a more modern look. Once everything is arranged, preview your design to check spacing and alignment. When you're satisfied, publish your site and your custom Linktree style page is ready to share anywhere you want. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.